Hey guys, it's Bethy, and we're back. As DJ Khaled says, another one. This is the Spooky Yarn of the Month Club from Fangirl Fibers. I actually added an additional part to my subscription this month, and I added the stitch markers as well. So, first, before we go frickin' looking at everything and stuff, we are going to pull out our little info about the inspo for this month. All right, March Spooky Club 2023. March's inspiration is the belladonna plant, otherwise known as deadly nightshade. Deep greens and purple flowers, all parts of this plant are poisonous, and if ingested, can alter the body's nervous system, digestive functions, and others. Now, this is the picture that she used as the inspiration. It's really freaking pretty. This is the yarn. Dude, that is lovely. And it's actually called belladonna. So freaking pretty. This is a 100% superwash merino DK weight, 230 yards, 231 yards, and 100 grams. And then these are my stitch markers. Oh, beautiful. I love the fact that they are lever back because, well, you know, as a crocheter. Sir, we're making a YouTube video. There we go. All right, let's see here. Okay, so we have two really cute clear with like black lined, so they basically kind of look like rutilated quartz hearts. We have two little black hearts that have glitter in them. Those are effing adorable. And then there is one wooden stitch marker, and look at it. It says belladonna, and it has belladonna on it. Hold on.